my name is Hanifa, and I'm a registered holistic nutritionist and a certified WholyFit instructor. I've also written a book called Healthy with Hanifa, a woman's guide to holistic health and fitness. I've partnered with WholyFit to offer you a live monthly Zoom webinar, which we will be archiving and recording in case you miss it. And we'll also be covering a wide range of topics from the pros and cons of popular diets to more holistic type topics like superfoods for immunity. Our subjects will also be tailored to our audience. I have 25 years of certified experience in the fitness field and have been a registered holistic nutritionist since 2014, working with some complex clinical cases. I'm here to dispel any nutrition myths that you might have regarding this controversial area. I'm a firm believer that food is medicine and that 80% of your results stem from what you put in your mouth. So for only $1.99 extra per month, you'll have the added bonus of nutritional knowledge, a live webinar, Q&A, and a Facebook support group on top of all of Laura's regular videos. I would love it if you join me on your journey of health and fitness and sign on. Looking forward to seeing you soon.